Once upon a time, in a cozy oak tree, lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had the fluffiest tail and the brightest eyes you ever saw. Every morning, Sammy would peek out from his tree hole and wonder what adventures the day would bring. Today felt extra special because the forest was sparkling with magic. Sammy scampered down the tree and noticed something amazing. A trail of glowing acorns led deep into the forest. His whiskers twitched with excitement as he followed the shimmering path. Along the way, he met Bella the bluebird, who chirped a cheerful hello. Together, they discovered the acorns were left by the forest fairy, who needed help finding her lost wand. Sammy's curiosity had led him to a real adventure. Sammy and Bella searched high and low through the magical forest. They looked under mushrooms, behind flowers, and even asked the wise old owl for help. Finally, near the babbling brook, they spotted something twinkling in the water. It was the fairy's wand. Sammy carefully fished it out with a long stick, while Bella cheered him on. The forest fairy appeared in a shower of sparkles, so happy to have her wand back. She thanked Sammy and Bella for their kindness and teamwork. As a reward, she made the forest glow even brighter and gave Sammy a magical acorn that would never run out. Sammy learned that being curious and helping friends makes every day an adventure. Sammy scurried back home as the sun began to set, his heart full of joy. He couldn't wait to tell his family about his magical day. That night, tucked in his cozy tree hole, Sammy dreamed of tomorrow's adventures. Because in the magical forest, there's always something wonderful waiting to be discovered.